Hey guys, it's Kylie. I'm going to show you a quick and easy way of how I prepare my diced red potatoes for the air fryer. Joseph and I are having some potatoes with our dinner. We have potatoes with most of our dinners just because I want to try to make sure that I am still incorporating carbs every day. So I just dice it up. I know most people probably know how to dice potatoes, but I do get asked quite a bit, hey, how do you make your potatoes? So I thought I would just show you guys how quick and easy it is. I hope you guys all have had a really good day. I've been pretty productive today, getting a lot of stuff done. We are going out of town this weekend, so I wanted to make sure that I was working on laundry and getting all that kind of stuff done. So, red potato is only 2 points per half cup. So I do generally use either Little Potato Company potatoes a lot. I like sweet potatoes also, but I also like using red potato as well. Basically, I'm just telling y'all I like potatoes, I guess. So I dice it all up. Almost done, y'all. I'm almost done. Okay. I've diced it all up like this. Got it in my little air fryer basket here. Spray butter. And I usually toss them around. And then I use some salt-free seasoning. I use Miss Dash on everything. And there you go, it's ready to go. And we cook these, I cook these for about 30 minutes. Thing I like about this air fryer basket is that it does this. So everything gets cooked evenly. And I have the Instapot Vortex. It